Hi, I'm Turbo Time. This is my first video. Would showing off my speed be a good first video idea? Yes, it would be. And that is why. Well, I don't really have a big thing on YouTube. Try to grow my channel up. But yeah, right now we're at 96 subscribers, which is pretty cool. Right now we're at 96 subscribers. What is that? 96 subscribers. But we're at 96 subscribers. My goal right now is to get to 100. As you can see in my bio. Yeah, I just thought I'd make this first video. What is my life, man?